Okay, we should be live. We should be live. Let me just confirm if we are live quickly, guys. Just wanna confirm we are live. Okay, we live. So guys, I just want to set up a few things before we jump into it. So in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be hitting up Donald Trump's victory speech. Man, we have a new USA president, and you know what it means for us investors. It means that, man, it could be an opportunity for us to make money, man. I've been wanting Trump to win. As you guys know, I've been wanting Trump to win. So I'm gonna play his victory speech in the meantime while I still finish up setting up. Then we'll dive straight into the charts because we're having PPI next week. We're having CPI, right? So you wanna prepare for this upcoming week. So let me just play Donald Trump quick. While I just quickly prepare so I don't keep you guys bored. So let me know if the sound is also good.
Thank you very much. Well, I want to thank you all very much. This is great. These are our friends. We have thousands of friends in this incredible movement. This was a movement like nobody's ever seen before. And frankly, this was, I believe, the greatest political movement of all time. There's never been anything like this in this country and maybe beyond. And now it's going to reach a new level of importance because we're going to help our country heal. Help our country heal. We have a country that needs help, and it needs help very badly. We're going to fix our borders. We're going to fix everything about our country. And we made history for a reason tonight, and the reason is going to be just that. We overcame obstacles that nobody thought possible, and it is now clear that we've achieved the most incredible political thing. Look what happened. Is this crazy? But it's a political victory that our country has never seen before, nothing like this. I want to thank the American people for the extraordinary honor of being elected your 47th president and your 45th president. And every citizen, I will fight for you, for your family, and your future. Every single day I will be fighting for you, and with every breath in my body. I will not rest until we have delivered the strong, safe, and prosperous America that our children deserve and that you deserve. This will truly be the golden age of America. That's what we have to have. This is a magnificent victory for the American people that will allow us to make America great again. And in addition to having won the battleground states of North Carolina, I love these places, Georgia, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin, we are now winning in Michigan, Arizona, Nevada, and Alaska, which would result in us carrying at least 315 electoral votes. But it's much easier doing what the networks did or whoever called it, because there was no other path. There was no other path to victory. We also have won the popular vote. That was great. Very proud of it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Winning the popular vote was very nice. Very nice, I will tell you. It's a great feeling of love. We have a great feeling of love in this very large room with unbelievable people standing by my side. These people have been incredible. They've made the journey with me, and we're going to make you very happy. We're going to make you very proud of your vote. I hope that you're going to be looking back someday and say that was one of the truly important moments of my life when I voted for this group of people beyond the president, this group of great people. America has given us an unprecedented and powerful mandate. We have taken back control of the Senate. Wow, that's good. And the Senate races in Montana, Nevada, Texas, Ohio, Michigan, Wisconsin, the great Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, were all won by the MAGA movement. They helped so much. And in those cases, every one of them, we worked with the senators. They were tough races, and I mean, the number of victories in the Senate was absolutely incredible. And we did tele-rallies. We did tele-rallies with each one of them, and sometimes we did 2 or 3 and it was amazing to look at all of those victories. Nobody expected that, nobody. So I just wanted to thank you very much for that. And you have some great senators and some great new senators. And it also looks like we'll be keeping control of the House of Representatives. And I want to thank Mike Johnson. I think he's doing a terrific job. Terrific job. I want to also thank my beautiful wife, Melania, First Lady. Who has the #1 best-selling book in the country. Can you believe that? No, she's done a great job, works very hard to help people. So I just want to thank her, but I want to thank my whole family, my amazing children, and they are amazing children. Now, we all think our children are amazing. Everybody here thinks their children are amazing, but that's a good thing when you think they are. But Don, Eric, Ivanka, Tiffany, Barron, Laura, Jared, Kimberly, Michael, thank you all. What a help. What a help. My father-in-law, Victor, is tremendous, and we miss very much Melania's mother, Amalia. We miss Amalia, don't we, huh? She would be very happy right now, standing on this stage. She'd be so proud. She was a great woman, that one. Beautiful inside and out. She was a great woman. I want to be the first to congratulate our great, now I can say, Vice President-elect of the United States, J.D. Vance. And his absolutely remarkable and beautiful wife, Usha Vance. And he's a feisty guy, isn't he? You know, I said, go into the enemy camp, and you know the enemy camp. There's certain networks.
We're back.
A lot of people don't like their circle.
So guys, we're gonna be looking at currency pairs and indices, right? We're gonna be looking at both currency pairs, like I said, and indices. Without further wasting time, and let me jump straight into the charts. Let's jump straight into the charts, bro. So I wanna first start off with. Let's start off with indices, man. There's a few indices, right? Then we'll quickly jump into currency pairs, right? Let me check if everything's still good. Everything's still good. Yeah, let's dive into the chart. No thank you. We're not back testing now, so there's no point in paying that. But anyways, let's jump straight into the charts, guys, man. New week. So let's start off with S&P 500 because S&P 500 made me angry, bro. It literally made me angry. So this is what happened, guys. Let me just show you quickly what happened, right? I just want to show you from last week. I took in live trades, right? It was live trading. I took an L, bro. This was a crazy fake out. So I didn't take out anything on S&P 500. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be breaking down every pair, right? Every pair, S&P 500 to Nasdaq, US 30, diving into currency pairs. Let me know what you guys want me to analyze down in the comment section, right? So let me know. And guys, literally I took in these trades last week Thursday, if I'm right. I think it was last week Thursday, right? So I waited for that bounce back because why, we had a nice support here. So guys, let me just break down everything quickly, right? So on my weekly market breakdowns, I already have setups in place, right? So on my live streams, I'm gonna be breaking down everything from the start, like show you guys how I got to my setups and how everything happened. So when it comes to market breakdowns, it's just already have everything in place, my setups and everything. Like you can see S&P 500, I did not remove S&P 500 setups so that I can show you that last week trade, right? And also US 30, I'll show you guys the US 30 chart right now. So I took in these trades. It khakholad me, bro. That fake out khakholad me slag. So as you can see, we went in with the buys here on the real account. I literally, this is the account, and also created an account to show you guys how you can actually flip a small account, right? So that account, I took in my first trade on that specific account. On the account that I'm gonna show you, I have literally 3 accounts, right? I have my personally main account, which is private. I have an account where I created a demo. Around about the same time I created my real account for this year, but my real account was earlier this year. So I've been documenting my trades. You can go check out my videos and see how I was able to triple my initial investment, right? It's easy. It does not matter how much amount you actually funded. All that matters is how you use your trading strategy in order for you to be able to capitalize on the market, right? So we did that. So now live trading, we're doing live trading right now. And I created the 3rd account, which I'm going to show you guys how to actually grow a small account, right? Easy peasy. It's not all you need is risk management. So basically we took in our first trade. This would have given us a 1.3 thousand profit. I calculated the percentages, 1.49%. that was our target, and our loss was 0. We risked, no, it was lower than this. The risk was lower than this. So then I lost 275, man. I lost 275, which is okay. The account is still healthy. We're still gonna be growing this account slowly. So I would have made 1.3, like I said, with this particular trade right here. But the market, instead of supporting at the support here, right, instead of giving us those pushes back up at the support, it created an fake out. So fake outs also have some form of reasoning in terms of why it happened. So why did this fake out happen? The market wanted to push back here to do what? To create a reversal pattern, right? So like I always said, and also stated on the Strategic Trading Academy, that a reversal pattern occurs. We have 2 different types of reversal patterns. We have a W and we have an M, right? And also we have head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder at the support, and we have a head and shoulder at the resistance, right? So the market pushed and created a W formation pattern before making its way up. So the market pushed up crazy after Donald Trump's victory, right? Or just before he was announced the winner. Unfortunately, I could not catch these trades because they occurred at 4. They occurred at 4 in the morning. So like I was gone. Normally I enter my trades from London session to New York session, so we did not capitalize on, we did not get a redemption, right? Also US 30 did not give us retest, so we were supposed to have entered here. So I restructured my analysis for US 30, right? So basically we're waiting for because now the market is on all-time high, we're waiting for those pushes towards the downside before we capitalize, right? So it is okay, it's totally fine, man. It's totally fine. We move. So guys, this is basically it. Now let's start with Nasdaq first. Let's start with Nasdaq, then I will move into other pairs. Let's remove everything, yes, and start this analysis from scratch. So like I stated on my video on how to create a trading plan, like I stated, I use the daily time frame and I use from daily to 30 minutes. So I'm using daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, and 30 minutes for my entries, right? So from the daily to the 1 hour, we're creating our setups. So let me know what you want me to analyze. And we're having CPI next week, guys. We're having CPI. Let's first start off with, so guys, this is basically the naked chart, right? This is basically the naked chart, and I use from, yeah, this is basically the naked chart. As you can see, the market has been pushing up, man. It's pushing up. You're on all-time highs, right? So right now we're gonna start off with our daily key levels. We have a nice daily key level here, and we have a nice daily key level here. So guys, we use the past to be able to identify where future price movements are going to happen, or the way the market is going to push, right? So those are our daily key levels. We are done with our daily key levels. Right now we're going to insert our daily trend so that we understand the overall momentum. I personally trade with the overall momentum. If the overall momentum is buy, I'm always going to be buying. That's literally it. I'm just going to be buying, right? Looking for buying opportunities, even if we do have periods where the market does sell. I'm not gonna be doing that, because like I stated, I want to be flowing with the river. So the market is respecting our daily key level, our daily trend beautifully. We're having the market supporting or buying at the support. So every time the market reaches these levels, we are buying. So we expect on the daily time frame overall views that we expect the market to complete this overall trend. So what we want to do is capitalize on price movements occurring, going up. We want to go in, out, and we're going to be capitalizing until the market reaches there, right? Until it reaches the resistance. Then we'll just wait and see if it will break or it will reverse. So this is our daily key level, daily trend sorted. So what does this tell us? It's telling us that we are all-time buyers, and if you're trading against the market, that's when you'll be looking for selling opportunities. Every time you place a selling opportunity, you are trading against the market, right? So everything is sorted. Now we'll place in our key levels. Let's place in our key levels quickly. So key levels, we place them at points where the market reverses, right? We're going to be placing them where the market reverses the most. So we'll have our another key level right here, and we would have nice market is respecting beautifully there. And also here you can see that the market is respecting this level beautifully. Let's just zoom in and see if there's more areas whereby the market, or where we can expect market to reverse. We'll also cater for this area right here. So basically that's it, man. That's it for our key levels. Now we're going to be inserting our trends. So guys, what do we see? The market is being creating impulse. Like I said, guys, look at what the market did. It created a nice beautiful W formation pattern right here, right? So like I said, W patterns always occur on the support, right? We're always having reversals on the support, and at the resistance we're looking for M's or head and shoulder reversal patterns, which will give us those early signs that we might be expecting reversals. If we don't get reversal patterns, we can also expect the market to break and continue going down, right? So beautiful, that's nice. We have also impulse correction. Impulse, we had a nice correction. Impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, and a very strong impulse. So what do we expect after every impulse? We expect the market to create a correction. The market cannot just always to the top cap. We need impulse. We need the market to correct, right? We need pullbacks, in other words. So yeah, pullback and a correction is the same thing. So basically what it means is that we want the market to breathe. We need the market to breathe before having that liquidity injection to push towards the upside. So basically for Nasdaq is that right now I'm waiting for pushes towards the downside. Then if I can get that push towards the downside, coming back to our new support, because it's at the support we buy. So once it reaches the support, we'll be looking for those buying opportunities, right? Going back up to the upside. So what I would do currently is that I would place in my alert. So I'm gonna do that exactly because I'm actually trading indices on my real account, right? I'm trading indices. I'll also create a currency account. Guys, you want me to create a currency account? Description, let me know down in the comment section. I'll do a currency account and show you guys how to grow with currencies, right? I love indices. That's why I'm only trading indices on my real account, but I can also create another account so that you guys can see how to grow a currency account. So once we get those corrections back down here, we will look for pushes towards the upside. So for now, for Nasdaq, it's just a waiting game. If it continues to push, we are going to wait, right? So now let's also insert our, since we understand that we're gonna be entering here, right? So right now we can also insert a 4-hour trend. So our 4-hour trend to 1-hour trends, will make them green so that we know the difference between the daily and our smaller trends, right? So basically we have a nice beautiful trend occurring at this area here. All right, we have a nice beautiful trend occurring at this area right here. So guys, let me know if you guys are ready for CPI. We have a nice beautiful trend. We buy at the support, sell at the resistance, buy at the support, so the market can actually still push towards the upside. So we're hoping that it dips. We need those dips in order for us to capitalize, otherwise it's just another waiting game, right? Plus we're also nearing the end of the year, so we'll see if we can still get more entries. Next year we're going all in from January until December, guys. We're going all in. We're gonna be trading weekly market breakdowns and etc. If you want to learn, if you want theory and practical, right? So this is basically the practical. The theory is on my website. I will have that posted in the description, so you can always come back. I haven't done that yet, but you can come back later until I get a team and I can have people doing these things for me while I just analyze. It'll be dope. So that's for in the future, but for now this is basically it, right? We'll just upload everything. I have my own website. I created it myself. I will have it linked in the description below, and I'll also have my Instagram, Facebook linked in the description below. So let me know what y'all are. If you wanna hit me up personally, you can do that, guys. You can literally just do that. So that's it for Nasdaq. S&P, I'm not gonna remove S&P since the setup is already there, right? So S&P, we also want prices to push back to this resistance right here, because why we had, let me just show you the daily time frame, right? Like I said, the daily time frame is in red. The market almost completed this daily time frame, right? We almost, no, why is my daily time frame looking like, I don't know how to create setups. It's looking so fucking weird, bro. But anyways, let me just delete this and just refine it. Let me refine it. There we go. The bottom is nice. So what we do on the bottom, we do on the top. Let's just refine this. So basically that is it. Yeah, makes better sense. So we're also expecting the market to also push towards the upside, man. We're also expecting the market to push towards the upside, and we're looking to capitalize on those small movements. So with S&P also, we are looking for prices to push towards the downside, right? So we had impulse correction. The law of impulse correction, with a very strong impulse, nice correction, impulse, correction, and a strong impulse. After an impulse, we're expecting a correction, then impulses, then the market can create a whole new trend right here. Let's just cater for this new trend, the new 4-hour trend that's playing right here, right? So you have a nice 4-hour trend. Oh, my bad, let me just leave it there. Let me see if I catered for everything perfectly. I'll remove the drawings now. I just want you to see the idea, guys. So what we do on the bottom, we do on the top. So basically there we go. So guys, we also look at we're almost hitting our resistance for our trend, right? So what can happen at this point is that the market can break this trend and push towards the upside and create a whole new trend, right? It can also create a whole new trend. Let me just delete this. So let me show you what the market can do and how it can potentially create a whole new trend. So if the market, let me switch back to the candlesticks, zoom in a bit. So if the market breaks retest, we can expect a whole new trend going towards the upside, right? It can be a whole new trend going towards the upside, or the market can respect this setup as it did over here and as it did over here. So we can have market pushing towards the downside. If it does, we still capitalizing there. We're not gonna wait for it to push back to the support. Why? We are on all-time buys, guys. We're all-time buyers, so we're not gonna wait for it to be pushed back yet. Nah, very all-time buys. Once it hits that support, because this is a support, if it does break the support, we can expect it to push back down. Then we'll capitalize once it pushes back in again. Then we'll capitalize again, right? So that's basically it for S&P 500. Now we're gonna be looking at US 30. Let's look at US 30. Like I said, we're just waiting for pushes towards the downside. We had our daily trend. Alright, we had our daily trend. The market is creating a whole, it broke out of this daily trend, creating a whole new trend. That's why we have a nice 4-hour trend pushing towards the upside. This daily trend can be obsolete now because you're pushing towards new highs and the market is creating a whole new trend. So that's basically it, man. Gold, let me remove everything so we can hit it from the jump 2. Let's hit gold from the jump 2. So gold all-time high, man. Gold has been pushing, has been dominant over the US dollar, right? Okay, so we'll place in our key level here, and we'll place in our key level here, right? So now we in a whole new market right now. Market broke out of this. We are all-time buyers. But does it mean that the market is forever gonna continue to buy? Now we're gonna have periods where the market actually sells, right? So let me know if our setups kind of look alike, or if you guys see something totally different. Let me know, man. We're predicting here, so nobody can say that they actually 100% accurate, right? So the only way I win is by placing my trades on high probability setups. That's how I win. Even my high probability setups can work against me. Now this is our 4-hour, this is our daily trend, my bad. Then we'll switch down to 4-hour time frame. Guys, look at me. I have a certain routine. Then I'm gonna just place in key levels first. You can either use key levels or zones, man. I know my boy Leo uses, he loves zones. He does not use key levels the way I use key levels, right? So it's literally just dependent on your strategy. If you're new, you want to learn how to trade, man, go to my website or go to my earlier videos and check them all out, man. So let's cater for everything. Here we have a lot of areas where the market can reverse, or where the market has created a lot of touches. So we're just gonna cater for everything. I'm doing this with ease because guys, I'm used to this, bro. I'm used to this nice beautiful touches. 1 2 3 1, like it's respecting, bro. And we also having some form of market respecting over here. Gold, is it entry time for gold? I feel like it's entry time for gold. Wait, this is entry time for gold. I would look for buying opportunities for gold. I can already see them. So then we're gonna cater for our trend. We're gonna turn it into green. Let's just zoom in. Cater for our 4-hour trend. So literally, guys, I don't use any indicators, and I just use my own strategy. I don't want a lot of confluence, right? I don't use what are those things called? Volumes, to check the volume, and all of these indicators. I don't use any free indicators, which most traders are. Guys, you know, a lot of traders are selling free indicators, bro. If you guys want me to create a video on how to use free indicators, you just hit me up, man, because a lot of traders in South Africa, so-called influencers, right, they are using free indicators, and they're gonna sell it to you guys for like 10,000 and like crazy amounts, man. Just as some form of scamming. So wait. So guys, look at this. So the market has broken out of this trend, retested. So, and also we had a daily resistance. So what can happen is that the market can continue going down. If it does that, and if it pushes back, we would have hit our daily support key level and our daily support trend, giving us a double confirmation. We'll be looking for strong buying opportunities right about there. So this is where I can deem high probability entries right about here. So yeah, I wouldn't take these entries because we have broken out of this trend. So I would expect for the market to maybe push towards back towards the downside before going in for those entries, right? Before going in for those entries. And it's a very big move, man. It's a really big move. So man, that's it for gold, bro. That's it for gold. We are done with gold. Beautiful setups, man. Beautiful. If I am moving too quick, please let me know, guys. Let me know. I think I'm gonna need a bathroom break, guys. I need a bathroom break. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna play a bit of Trump again. Let me just go to the bathroom quick, Rabba. Yeah, man, I'll come back now. So let's just watch. Let me just play Donald Trump so I don't leave you guys hanging. Let me just go there. Quick, I'll be back right now before we dive into currency pairs, right? So let's play a bit of Trump. Bro, look at Trump's face, bro.
To do that, he just goes, okay, which one? CNN, MSDNC? He'll say, all right, thank you very much. He actually looks like, he's still like the only guy I've ever seen. He really looks forward to it, and then he just goes and absolutely obliterates them. Say a couple of words, okay?
Wow. Well, Mr. President, I appreciate you allowing me to join you on this incredible journey. I thank you for the trust that you placed in me. And I think that we just witnessed the greatest political comeback in the history of the United States of America. And under President Trump's leadership, we're never going to stop fighting for you, for your dreams, for the future of your children. And after the greatest political comeback in American history, we're going to lead the greatest economic comeback in American history under Donald Trump's leadership.
Thank you very much. He's turned out to be a good choice. I took a little heat at the beginning, but he was, I knew the brain was a good one, about as good as it gets. And we love the family, and we're going to have a great 4 years, and we're going to turn our country around, make it something very special. It lost that little thing called special. We have to make it so. We're going to make this so great. It's the greatest country, and potentially the greatest country in the world by far. And right now we're going to just work very hard to get all of that back. We're going to make it the best it's ever been. We can do that. If we had to wait longer, I don't know. It was going bad, and it was going bad fast. We're going to have to seal up those borders, and we're going to have to let people come into our country. We want people to come back in, but we have to let them come back in, but they have to come in legally. They have to come in legally. Let me also express my tremendous appreciation for Susie and Chris, the job you did. Susie, come here. Come here, Susie. Chris, come here, Chris. Susie likes to stay sort of in the back, let me tell you. The Ice Maiden, we call her the Ice Maiden. Come here, Chris. Come here, Chris. Susie likes to stay in the background. She's not in the background. Come here, Susie.
This wasn't expected, but I just want to thank, obviously, President Trump for this journey. It was a great one, and he's a hell of a candidate. And he's going to be a hell of a great 47th president. And this team that we had, the best team, and of course, even my boss, Susie Wiles, the best. Thank you.
Thank you, and thank you, Susie. Look at this, she's shot. I've never seen her be shot before. Susie. They're great. Everybody up here is great. Everybody up here is very special. But the Trump, who did you say? Oh, let me tell you, we have a new star. A star is born. Elon.
We're back with Buck. Well, Buck, man, I flipping love Trump, bro. Trump is one crazy ass nigga, bro. This is one crazy ass dude, bro. We're back, man. So now we're gonna be diving into currency pairs. So we're gonna be looking at Euro, USD. So now let's look at the overall market, right? So guys, as you can see, the market has been ranging from January 2023 until this year. So the market has been ranging, has been consolidating in this manner on the daily time frame, right? It's been consolidating, man. It's been consolidating. So let's cater our key level, daily key levels. So we have our first key level here. We want to look for areas where the market creates the most touches, right? Let's just place it here. We'll place it there. All right, let me just check everything is in order. Okay, cool. So this is our daily key level. The market has been ranging. We buy at the support, we sell at the resistance, we buy at the support, and we sell at the resistance. Market failed to push back down. It went up, created a reversal pattern. Here's a reversal pattern. Let me show you guys the reversal pattern, right? We had a nice beautiful aim. Like I always told you guys, like at the resistance, we literally looking for reversal patterns, man. My Uncle Trump is president, bro. Next year we killing it, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. Next year, yo, what a time to be an investor, Bafit. To my boys and girls, man, what a time to be an investor. Shout out to my cause I see that my audience is ranging from 18 to 34, right? So basically, shout out to my matric students right now. Good luck with the exams, bro. Pass those exams, you know, man. Good things are coming, bro. Good things are coming. Make sure you put in hard work, you pass, and you actually, you know, become something. You become something, bro. So basically that's it. So this is the daily. So I'm not gonna be placing in any trends on the daily because the market is ranging. Let's see if you can spot any trends in the lower time frame, right? So now we in the 4-hour time frame. We are in the 4-hour time frame. We had a nice, beautiful. Let me just cater for this. Let me just zoom so that I make sure that my trend, let me just place this trend. Should we let's leave it out. Okay, so we're having a nice beautiful trend right here. We're having a nice beautiful trend right now. We are all-time sellers here. That's why I've been looking for selling opportunities. If you've checked my market breakdown, man, we got this. I think there was a trade somewhere from here, I don't remember, but it featured in one of my weekly market breakdowns. I gave out that setup before it played out. It didn't play out twice, back-to-back wins for Euro USD, and we're still looking to go down, right? You're still looking to go down, but since you're looking to go down, there's a difference between expecting the market to actually push down here and entry points. So we want to establish our entry points, then we'll take action, right? So we'll see if we have any setups that are ready to go as we speak for currency pairs, right? So we have a nice beautiful trend right here. Market buys at the support and it sells at the resistance, right? So those are our trends. Let's add in our key levels to support our trends, because trends alone I've blown over, guys. Me learning how to trade, bro, I literally blown over 30k learning how to trade, but not at all at once, just funding. Like maybe I would fund 5k, then later on fund 5k, like, you know, later on yana 5k during those 4-year periods, you know, because I'm like, nah, do I really need clothes? I don't need clothes, I want to learn how to trade. So that's basically it. But we're making it back crazy, more. Bro, trading has never been so, I never thought, honestly, I've never thought I would make it here. You know, it's always like, it's been a very rough road, but one thing I told myself is that I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna keep pushing until I make it, bro. One thing I'm gonna tell you guys is that stop looking for motivate. One thing I did, nah, because I used to like motivation. My lord, let me just switch to moi. So I used to love a lot. Okay, so I altered this, man. We got this bullish, man. We bullish. My girlfriend bought me this, bro. My girlfriend bought me this. But yeah, we bullish. So literally, guys, like, I'm gonna tell you one thing before we also dive deep into this, is that, guys, if you literally want to make it as a trade, you have to give it all in. Like, one of what Andrew Tate once said is that, guys, if anything was easy in life, then it would not have value. Literally, it would not have value. If Forex was easy, it would not have value. Why do your parents, or you're like, yo, if you're a doctor, you're something? Because it's not an easy thing. Not everybody can accomplish that. So anything that is difficult in life has value, and it will give you money, bro. It will give you money, right? It will pay you good. Anything that's easy, like, for example, if painting a house. Anybody can literally paint a house, bro. But people would hire people who paint houses and stuff like that. But you won't pay them an amount that you would pay a doctor, right? Because it's anybody can do that. Anything that anybody can do. Anything literally that anybody can do. Even my little cousin, I can be like, yo, paint this bloody house. They would paint it. But anything that anybody can do does not pay. But once you dive into skill sets or career paths that actually pay you, that's the more difficult it becomes, right? Like, is as easy as that. So if you want to be a pro trader, you need to sacrifice. If you're in sacrificing, guys, you're not gonna make it. I'm not gonna lie to you. You can watch all your influencers all day, every day. They can lie to you and tell you that yo, I'm gonna show you how to make R1 million in a week. That's easy. Baby boy, stop barking, bro. Stop barking. Hey, stop barking, bro. But yeah, man, it's basically that. Anything that anybody can do. Let me just check what's happening, bro. Okay. Go, boy. Let me just let him out. No. Go. Oh, making a noise, bro. That's my alarm system right there. My dog is my alarm system, bro. Spoiled little. That nigga is spoiled. And doesn't even know that he's spoiled, and he's ignorant. But anyways, man, let's dive straight back into the charts, bro. I'm done yapping right now. Nah, not Donald Trump. Charts. Let's dive into the charts, right? Oh my, there we go. So guys, what's happening now? Let's check. We inserted our trends. So now we want to look for entry areas, right? Since we're all-time sellers, if the market does, because the market looks like it's kind of creating, it's resisting right here, so prices can also push from this point and push towards the upside, right? But if it does do so, if you were trading against the market, this is where you will look for your entries at the retest and the push. But since like I said, I'm not going to trade against the market, so I wouldn't enter there. I want to trade with the overall momentum. Unless the market continues, if it does push and break and continues pushing towards the upside, then we'll look for buying opportunities, right? But for now, nope. I'm okay with trading against the market. So where will I spot my selling opportunities? That's the question. Where will you spot? Let's extend this trend a bit. Let's just extend it. As you can see, we still haven't yet had exact touches on this trend, so I would first need the market to maybe play around, because guys, keep in mind that we had a very strong impulse. We would need a correction. If it corrects towards the upside, it's still cool. We would need a correction. Then once the market breaks here, I'll be looking for my selling opportunities back towards the downside, so I can take out my daily key level and also take out my daily trend. So this is how it would be. So after those retests, let's see, it's a nice 1% move. I don't risk, see, 1.1% move. Then I would risk a 0.43 to 45. Let's go 45%. Got 43 is okay, it's fine. But this is how my risk would be. So I would need the market to break and continue, because right now we had strong impulses, we need corrections, then we'll capitalize on your USD. You can always come back to this later on, guys. Come back to this, bro, later on next week, and see how the market is respecting the setups, or how the market is playing, right? So that's basically it for Euro USD. Now we'll jump straight into GBP USD, right? I'll add in, let me add in, I'll add in, this is literally the longest stream I've been in, which is dope. We'll just do a few more, I'll add in a few more currencies here so that we're almost an hour deep, so that we can also look at more currency pairs, right? I'm just gonna predict what type of currency pairs you guys like trading, right? So now we're on the daily time frame for GBP USD. So GBP USD has been bullish. The market has been bullish this year, right? From 2022 November, from the 20th September until current date, right? So now let's insert our key levels, our daily key levels, so that we create a playground. We need a playground over feet. There we go. So we had market reversing here, coming back to the support. Now it's back at the resistance. So guys, what do you see? What do you see on Euro USD and GBP USD? We've seen that the dollar has potential to gain momentum, right? Because we're looking for selling opportunities. So this also confirms, and it also aligns with Euro USD to an extent, right? Obviously the charts are different, but we are looking for selling opportunities from here back down here. So yeah, man, check this thing out, follow it. When will it get here? Will take time. We would never know. It can even transpire till next year, right? So now let's add in our daily trend, because right on GBP USD we are not, the market is not ranging, it's not consolidating. So let's add in our daily key levels. Like I said, our daily key levels are red. We'll mark it here, and there we go. Let me just make sure that we cater for the close, right? There we go, so that we have a perfect setups. You don't want to fumble our setups. So we have a double confirmation right now. So guys, the market, even though we're in a bullish trend, we hit our resistance key level. At the resistance we sell, and we also hit our resistance on the trend. So we're having a double confirmation, and guys, the market is creating an M formation pattern, and like I said, an M formation pattern that occurs on the resistance, we can expect prices to push back until here, to complete the M formation pattern, right? Cool. Now we got that sorted out. Now we'll dive deep into the market so we can have our trends and trends. So we'll have our first trend right here. Let's have our first trend right here. But this is like a war, like bro, like I'm telling you guys, like literally 2 years ago, yo, it wouldn't be so as like now. Analyzing is just easy for me, you know, but it takes time. You need to sacrifice, guys. You need to sacrifice and actually develop your trading skills. So we're having market creating a smaller trend right here. Let's just zoom in and see what we can make of what's happening right now. All right, let's go from here to here. Then what we do on the top, we do on the bottom, and what we do on the bottom, we literally do on the top, man. Let's just place it here to cater for the most touches, right? So there we go for our trends. Let's insert our key levels. Like I said, you can use zones. Should I use a zone for that? Let me use a zone just to show you guys how to use zones and also key levels. So this is we would have a nice zone here, right? As you can see, market failed to break here, respected, pushed down, broke, and pushed back down, came back, and it bought above. So as long as we are above here, the market can still continue going up, right? It can continue going up. So what we need is for the market to break this this support right here and turn it into a new resistance. So once the market breaks out, then it is a new resistance. Then we'll just wait for pushes to the upside, and then a continuation towards the downside, right? So now we need our exit, and okay, like we mentioned, we catered for our entry. Now we need an exit strategy, right? We need an exit strategy. We haven't, let me just cater for everything quickly. Having a nice area here. So basically, when the market gets back here, you can also look for sells, but the problem is we hit the support. So if, okay guys, let me show you how we can capitalize on this area right here. So you see we hit the support, the market pushed, created a correction. We can expect the market to push back up here. Then if the market respects this trend up here, right, and it respects it and it continues going down, we'll wait for those retests. Then we can both take out this trend and also take out this support area right here, right? So that's how we can capitalize on this area right now. Right, this is literally how we can capitalize on this area. We need the market to push back up. This is 0.60%. Then you have to risk anything lower than 0.30, so maybe 0.29 will be good. And that's basically it. That's basically it for GBP USD. Now let's look at USD. Like I said, I'll add in 2 more currency pairs. We'll add in 2 more currency pairs. Let me just do this quickly. Let me just do this, guys. Let me just, okay, cool. We're back. So now we're gonna be live. Now we're gonna be live trading USD. Now let's look at what USD has for this week, right? Then next week, like I said, we're having CPI and PPI, right? So now let's look at the overall time frame. Like I always state, that we want to capitalize on the overall momentum, right? So if the overall momentum is sell, we're looking for all-time selling opportunities, and if the overall momentum is buy, we are looking for all-time buying opportunities. So we're having a nice support here. Woo! Another support chart with the most touches, and we have another area right here. So guys, as you can see, the market is forming some form of reversal pattern. Like I said, USD looks like it's gonna gain momentum. We saw that in euro, we saw that in euro USD. It look, like I said, USD looks like it's gonna have momentum. Like I said, guys, we saw that in euro USD, we saw that in GBP USD, and now we're also seeing that in USD ZAR, man. So guys, man, live trading, I'm gonna be live trading regularly. Also next year, guys, expect a lot of live trading sessions, right? So now let's just cater for this trend right here. Let's turn the color into red, man. Let's convert it into red. Let's do it into red. Clone. We will place in our trend. So as you can see, we hit the support, and we're looking to complete this trend, and I'm expecting the market to literally break this trend and continue going up, right? But now it's okay, we are here. Can we find entries towards the top side? Let's dive into our 4-hour time frame. All right, let's dive into our 4-hour time frame. Now we're gonna be creating, let me just see the history quickly so that we can cater for everything accordingly. We don't want to be trapped on the wrong side of the market, right? We will need assurance that, or high probability assurance that, hey, so far you got everything covered, right? Your setup is working overtime for you. Let me just see something. There we go. Let me just see something. It's okay. Let's just keep it close to the market. So right now we're looking for areas where there's reversal patterns. We have in this area here, like I said, you can use a zone. A zone will help you cater for most touches. Like it would have been something similar to this, right? As you can see, the market is respecting that zone beautifully. So we're having touches, an abundance of touches. Market got back to the support, because once it breaks, it's a new support, right? And it bought, respected, bought. So we can be looking for buying opportunities. Why do I think I'm seeing buying opportunities right now? I think USDs we're gonna be having buying opportunities. Let me just cater for these three touches here. With a triple top here, market sold crazy. Cool. Yes, so that's basically like I said, guys, we're looking for pushes from here to complete this. So expecting the market to break this trend. So the market can break it and push back in, making this a fake out, which we would have capitalized on, or the market can break, retest, right? That's what I'm expecting. That's literally what I'm expecting, and create a whole new trend going towards the upside, man. We're expecting a whole new trend going towards the upside. So now we're looking for entry. So since we're looking for entry, let me just see if I can cater for any. It's fine for our trends. It's tight, so we'll just dive in. Let's dive into the 1 hour, because on the 4 hours is pretty much tight. Let's just dive into the 1 hour. We have an ugly trend that's developing right here. It's a very ugly trend, bro. An ugly trend. So there we go. We're having the market respecting setup, clone. There we go. Then ugly setup, right? I'm expecting for the market to also break this trend. So right now, let me see if you're having entries. So guys, what we need right now, as you can see, we need a bullish candlestick closing here. Once it closes here next week, or if it does do that Monday, wait for it to close with another positive bullish candlestick, then we can capitalize on this whole move. These are literally entries where I would enter 100%, and I always go for a 2%. I don't go for nothing more than a 2%. So I would target it straight towards the resistance there. Then I'll be out of this trade. Then we'll risk. I don't like risking. Guess we'll go for a 54%, right? Yeah, we're expecting the market to respect, correct, and continue going up. What can also give us those confirmations? We had a nice strong impulse. Market is correcting. We're wanting a strong impulse. Those are entries for USD. Those are literally entries for USD. Save. Yeah, yes sir. Let's see what else we can quickly add. Let's add USD JPY and see if the US currency is also showing signs of strength. Let's see if it shows that on USD JPY, right? Let's just add it. Remove. Okay. So yeah, let's just end off with USD JPY for now, for today. Then yeah, we'll just kick it next time, guys. We'll kick it on the next live stream. Okay, quickly, let me just go refill my water. so that you keep hydrated. Let me just add another pair, guys. Let's just do another pair. Let's try for silver, man. Let's see silver. What is silver again? I think it's, what is silver again? Is it gold is XAUSD? What is silver? Let me just go to all. Silver, guys. What is silver? It's isn't it this? Yeah. Let me just see. Let me just confirm quickly if it's it. Then I'm gonna just play my Uncle Trump quick. Yeah, it's silver. Let me just play my Uncle Trump quick. So then we'll just kill those two currency pairs. Then we can call it a day, right? So let me just quickly play Uncle Trump. In the meantime, let's play Uncle Trump in the meantime. Let's go.
Now he's an amazing guy. We were sitting together tonight. We spent 2 weeks in Philadelphia, different parts of Pennsylvania, campaigning. You know, he sent the rocket up 2 weeks ago, and I saw that rocket. I saw it coming down. I saw it. It was, when it left, it was beautiful, shiny white. When it came down, it didn't look so pretty. It was going 10,000 miles an hour, and it was burning like hell. I said, what happened to your paint job? He said, we've never made a paint that could withstand that kind of heat. And but I saw it come down and turn around, came down, and you saw that fire burning. And I said, only Elon can do this. It must be an Elon. And I told the story. I told it last night. I had a man on the phone. I had the screen muted, no sound. I was talking to a very important man, happens to be here. And that very important guy, one of the most important people in, I would say, the country, actually. But, you know, I was president, and now it looks like I was going to be maybe president again, so I figured I could ask him to hold. So I asked him to hold, especially because you're going to be president again, they hold. So I took the phone down, and I'm looking at the screen, I'm seeing this crazy thing that's going around and coming down, and it looks like it's going to crash into the gantry. And I said, oh no, and I said, do me a favor, you mind holding for a couple of minutes? I want to see this. I thought it was a space age movie or something. I put the phone down, but I didn't pick it up for 45 minutes that he was holding. But this spaceship came down, and I saw those engines firing, and it looked like it was over, it was going to smash, and then I saw the fire pour out from the left side, and it put it straight. And it came down so gently, and then it wrapped those arms around it, and it held it, and just like you hold your baby at night, you little baby. And it was a beautiful thing to see, and I called Elon. I said, Elon, was that you? He said, yes, it was. I said, who else can do that? Can Russia do it? No. Can China do it? No. Can the United States do it other than you? No, nobody can do that. I said, that's why I love you, Elon, that's great. And you know, when we had the tragic Hurricane Helene, and it hit North Carolina, they were really devastated. The water, this was a big water, as big as we've ever seen, water hurricane. It built lakes out of nothing. Fields became lakes, and the danger was unbelievable. And the people from North Carolina came to me and they said, would it be possible, at all possible, for you to speak to Elon Musk? We need Starlink. I said, what's Starlink? It's a form of communication. So I called Elon, and I'll tell you what, he had, and it was very dangerous. People would die. They had no communication. All the wires were down. I called Elon Musk. I said, Elon, you have something called Starlink. Is that right? Yes, I do. What the hell is it? He said, it's a communication system that's very good. I said, Elon, they need it really, really badly in North Carolina. Can you get it? He had that there so fast, it was incredible. So, and it was great. It saved a lot of lives. He saved a lot of lives. But he's a character, he's a special guy, he's a super genius. We have to protect our geniuses. We don't have that many of them. We have to protect our super geniuses. I want to thank some of the guys. You know, we have up here today. The U.S. Open champion is fantastic golfer, slightly longer than me. It's about a little bit longer than me. Just a little bit. Bryson DeChambeau is up here somewhere. What happened to Bryson? Where is he?
Yeah, back, bro.
He was shot. He's hitting balls. Oh, he's on the way. He's hitting balls.
Yeah, we back, guys. We are back. Let me just switch back here. Yeah, let's just do these last two currency pairs, then we are done. We are done for today. So now we're gonna see if USD JPY is gonna correspond with euro, because you saw the euro that, like I stated, that the dollar's looking dominant, and we saw GBP USD, the setup, the dollars you looking dominant. And let's confirm again with USD JPY, right? Let's see if the dollar is dominant here too. So we're gonna kick it off with our key levels. Nice key levels area. Ooh, beautiful key levels, guys. Beautiful key levels. Yeah. Okay, there we go. So we had a nice beautiful trend right here. Ooh. And a nice beautiful trend earlier here. Let's just reduce it. Yeah. Zoom in. We'll switch to line chart quickly. Right. We're gonna switch to line chart. We'll just clone this, and then we'll just switch the colors so that we know that this is our literally daily trend. This is our daily trend, and we had another daily trend right here with less volatility. The bigger the trend, the more volatile the trend is, right? We had less volatility. Yeah, broke out of this daily trend. Now we're gonna switch to 4 hours because this is just too tight to cater on the daily. Let's switch to 4 hours so we can cater our trends more perfectly, guys. So we'll just zoom out a bit. Okay, we'll zoom in here and cater our 4 hour trend. There we go. There we go. So guys, this is an ugly trend. This is an ugly trend, guys. So okay, cool. This is a really ugly trend, I'm not gonna lie. Now let's cater our key levels too. So we are looking bullish for USD JPY, right? We are bullish. So it also confirms my other trends. It also confirms my other pairs. We are bullish for USD JPY, right? Now we're gonna cater for our key levels. We had a nice key level here. Let's make this a zone. Let's make this a zone. Right, so let me just zoom in a bit. Okay, cool. Then we had a nice key level here because market is respecting here. 1 2 3 is respecting. It's respecting beautifully. Then we will kick it off. We're gonna keep those most touches. Where's the most touches? Right there. So guys, if the market is to push down and break break this support, because this is a support right here. So that's why I'm saying we are bullish, because we are on a support. So at the support, we're looking for the market to continue going up. The only time you'll look for selling opportunities if the market breaks, retests, right, give us those retests and continue going down, right? So right now we want to see where we can spot in our buying opportunities. So we'll first wait for the market. If the market pushes back, right, it's okay. We'll wait for market to break, retest, and continue. So this is literally my entry area right here. But it's a very tight, it's very okay. Now it's actually kind of good. 1.74%, it's actually good. Then we'll go for a 0.58% risk. So this is my entry area. At this, once it breaks, we test here. It's go. I'm like entry time, bro. It's entry time. Like, I'm not lying, bro. It's entry time. Silver. Let's see if silver corresponds with gold. Let's see. Let's go to the daily. So guys, you see, analyzing is easy. All you need to do is learn. At first it's not, like, I swear I'll try and push up. Like, if you could see my earlier setups compared to today. Like, at times, sometimes, because I still have screenshots from my earlier setups, I'm like, damn, bro, is this how you used to analyze, bro? You look like a baby trying to color into a what is this, those baby books when you color instead. So yeah, man, we're gonna clone this. I'm gonna clone this, put it here. This is our daily trend, so it's gonna be red, and this is going to be red, right? Okay, let me just zoom out again. Let me just see everything. Okay, cool. Now we'll dive into the 4-hour time frame. We're having the market hit the resistance, right? So we want to see where can we expect entries right now. So you understand that once it hits this resistance, it can take a nosedive. The market can take a nosedive, right? It can take a nosedive. So now let's just insert our 4-hour trend. We're gonna insert our 4-hour trend. There you go. If we're going to look for buying opportunities, we would need the market to break this area right here, right? We need it to break this area right here. We have an abundance, 1 2 3 4 5 touches. It's a lot of touches at that area. So you want to cater your key levels where the market creates a lot of touches, guys. Then we'll also cater this resistance right here. Our latest resistance is up here. So for us to buy, we need the market to break out of our daily trend, retest, then we're going in for buys, right? That's if silver is gonna be more dominant than the dollar, right? That's what we're looking for. Shaka, this is a big move, bro. Look, look, even the risk, 1.21, bro. Yeah, that's a big risk. Go 1.21 up. Yeah, it's too much risk. This one, silver, you crazy boy. But anyways, that's where the entry is for me. If the market pushes breaks out of this daily, we're going in. For sells, we'd need the market to break back down here, break out of this support right here, right, converting it into our new resistance. Then we'll be looking for sells going towards the downside, and we'll be looking for entries. We need to look for areas where there's most touches. There's most touches here. Okay, and let's do this now. I want it here so we can cater for even more touches. Then we would go for this area right here. We're having touches here, touches here, touches here, touches here. So it's a very tight move. Let's see if it's tradable, if it does break here. Yep, it's tradable. Like, yo, silver is crazy, guys. Somewhere there, I'll put my stop there. And then for more entries, now this is a even much better move. Let's add in a zone. So we can look for entries there. Can see 3 potential entry areas there. Here. And our ultimate one is here. Right, so you can capitalize on those moves right there. Can literally capitalize on these moves right here. And until here, it's a big move, guys. It's a big move. So I see 3 entry areas. If market breaks, creates a trend, pushes back up, breaks, creates a new trend, breaks, creates a new trend, then we'll capitalize on those 3 areas right there, right, all the way back down here. So that's basically it, man. That's basically it, guys. Like I told you guys, if you guys want to learn how to trade, you need to sacrifice. You need to sacrifice. For a bull and a bear, you literally need to sacrifice. Without sacrificing, guys, I promise you, you can watch all the motivational videos in the world, they won't help you. They won't help you. You need to sacrifice. Like I said, skills is needed, and for any skills that requires hard work, the more money it pays. So watching people posting cars all day is not gonna make you a better forex trader. I promise you. Kisi see ha utla chap utla chamton hey boy, hey girl, hey mang utla chap. You will burn, bro. You will burn. So make sure that everything from your side is 100%. Keep learning, keep developing. Let me know what you guys think and whether are we on the same track in the comment section. Till